Connect the machine to the power supply, turn on the switch, and indicator light on the front of the machine will turn green. The gas meter is on the left and that on the right. Lift the knob and turn it. To the left to open it, and to the right to reduce the air pressure. Connect the air pipe to the right and connect it in series with the machine. Connect the air pipe on the left side. Lift the knob and turn it to the left. To increase the air pressure, adjust the appropriate air pressure and press the knob back. Open the gun head. If red laser appears, it is normal. Enter the laser control interface. Enter the cleaning mode. Interface. Enter password 1. Enter the custom procedure library. Select the cleaning pattern you want. Display of cleaning effects of different patterns.